It is my second day in Peru. After an hour of flight, I have arrived at Cusco and it is at 3,400 meters above sea level. There are buses where for 1 sol you can move from Cusco airport to the Cusco city center. So this is the bus in which we have traveled. This is the center of Cusco called Plaza de Armas, and the hostel that we took, it's called Maliki Hostel, which is hardly 10 minutes walk from here. So it's best to stay in and around this plaza so everything becomes easy. There you can see is the Christ the Redeemer, from where you will get a wonderful view of the city. This is the Saint Domingo Church in Cusco, hardly 5 minutes walk from Plaza de Armas. So the entry to Santo Domingo is 15 sols, and you will be able to see some temples inside which are of Inca period, but they do not allow any photography or videography. So when in Cusco, to walk through these amazing colonial streets which look very beautiful, you can see how beautiful it is. It is steep climb from the cathedral center. This was once a sacred temple and a fortress. So after a 20 minutes of hike, I'm here near the Christ the Redeemer. From here, the view of the complete Cusco city is going to be awesome.